Drawing for kids, video for kids. Hi guys, follow along as I show you step by step how to draw a cool Beatle dog. You will learn step by step how to draw and color a cool Beatle dog. Even though this is a drawing for kids, video for kids, adults and teens will have fun with this step by step drawing for kids. Here we have the colors that we'll be needing. We have some black markers, and I will use this potato brown marker just to coloring some brown spots on our dog, but we mostly will be using our black markers. So you get your sheet of drawing paper and your markers and your crayons, and you can follow along with me as I show you step by step how to draw a cool Beatle dog. We will start with the top of our dog's head, and we will get one of the ears in right here. This will be like a dancing dog, like he's gonna be like the Elvis Presley of dogs. A cool dancing dog. We're drawing him doing his dance moves. This is where we need like a Sharpie point. Draw a little dot right there. can you be so kind to subscribe to this channel? I would really appreciate your support. On this channel, you will find fresh new daily for kids drawing and coloring. You'll find daily fresh content of drawing for kids videos. These are drawing and coloring videos for kids. Adults and teens will enjoy these contents also, as you and your kids, that you can practice drawing and sharpening your drawing skills. These are fun-filled for kids drawings. There I have shown you step by step how to draw a cool Beatle dog. Now let us color our cool looking Beatle dog. We'll add some colors, and I'm going to start with this potato brown color. We're gonna give him some color patches. You don't have to use the same exact color which I'm using. You could use something close, or you could choose another color. You could choose to use another color. Just be creative, use your imagination, and remember, there's no foolish or stupid mistakes. You're just being creative. That's it. You're just being creative. there you have it, guys. Step by step how to draw a cool Beatle dog. That's a dancing dog. Strike a pose. I'm pretty sure that you guys did great. Also, please remember, hit that subscribe button as a show of support for this channel. You can always visit this channel every day and you will find a fresh step-by-step drawing for kids, video for kids. Take care now. See you on the next video.